Welcome students. In today's video we are going to continue uh, the lesson principles of inheritance and variation, in which we had discussed about the experiments performed by Mendel. This lesson has a lot of technical terms like allele, test cross, back cross, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, determination of sex and homologous chromosome, linkage, crossing over, leakage map, alleles, multiple alleles, pleiotropy, variety of technical terms are there, but gradually we shall discuss these all. Right now, I am starting with the monohybrid cross. This monohybrid cross that was an experiment performed by Mendel. Uh, the term monohybrid cross refers to a cross which Mendel carried out between the two pea plants which had single pair of contrasting characters taken into consideration. It was like this discussed in my previous video, that is the capital T which is getting represented as the genotype of the plant, and the small t it is also the other genotype of the plant. Capital T is represented as tall plant, whereas small t is represented as the dwarf plant, and the cross between these two plants are giving the progeny which all had been tall and had the genotype capital T and small t. Here I would like to first discuss with you what this genotype is. Genotype and phenotype, these are the two terms that needs to be discussed and needs to be understood clearly. Genotype is the term that refers to the genetic makeup of any organism, but phenotype is the expression of characters of the organism in response to its genotype. We had discussed previously in my last video regarding the factor or the allele. It was something which was lying inside the organism that is controlling the characteristics which it is exhibiting. The plant is exhibiting tallness, so the capital T is the factor which is controlling its tallness. Similarly, small t is the character or the factor that is representing or it is controlling the shorter height of the plant and makes the plant dwarf. So these factors are you can see alleles TT and TT. These are the genotype, and because of this kind of genotype, the plant is either tall or dwarf, right? So we have discussed here. You can see here is the cross between this TT, that is capital T and small t, is this the genotype of the plant of the F1 progeny, and Mendel made a self cross. This self cross performed by Mendel produced 1, 2 and 3 tall plants and 1 dwarf plant. If we see these 3 plants, this one is termed as homozygous tall. This homozygous tall plant means it is true bred plant. True bred plant means if these two different individual of having the same genotype is taken and breeding is carried out, it is likely to produce only this kind of individual. Such individuals are known as true bred. So it is the homozygous tall, but these two are heterozygous tall. So as far as the displayed character or exhibited character is concerned, these 3 are tall and 1 is dwarf, and hence the monohybrid cross is giving 3:1 ratio of phenotypic expression. But as far as the genotype of the individual or progeny is concerned, this has the homozygous genotype. This one, these two have the heterozygous genotype, and the last one, this one is also the homozygous. The difference between these two homozygous is that this one is the homozygous tall, whereas this is homozygous dwarf, and these two are the heterozygous tall. So the phenotypic ratio here is 1:2:1 if we see the variety of genotypes that is found in these progeny. This is all about monohybrid cross. Thank you.